SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a strategic tool used to evaluate an organization's internal strengths and weaknesses alongside external opportunities and threats. Strengths and weaknesses relate to internal factors such as resources, capabilities, competences, technology, and organizational culture. Opportunities and threats arise from the external environment, including market trends, economic changes, competitors, and regulatory developments. By combining both internal and external perspectives, SWOT analysis provides a structured overview of the organization's strategic position. It enables managers to understand how well the organization's internal capabilities align with environmental opportunities and risks. This analysis forms a key step in strategic planning because it helps identify strategic priorities and areas requiring improvement or investment. The main purpose of SWOT analysis is to support strategic decision-making by highlighting how internal capabilities interact with external conditions. Organizations can use their strengths to exploit opportunities in the environment while simultaneously reducing vulnerabilities created by weaknesses or threats. For example, a company with strong research capabilities may exploit technological trends to develop innovative products. Conversely, identifying weaknesses such as outdated systems may encourage investment in new technology. By systematically analyzing these factors, managers can better understand their competitive position and develop strategies that maximize strengths and opportunities while minimizing risks and weaknesses. SWOT analysis is often used as a summary tool that integrates insights from other strategic analysis frameworks. Tools such as pestle analysis, competitor analysis, and customer analysis generate detailed information about the external environment, which can then be categorized as opportunities or threats within a SWOT framework. Similarly, internal analyses such as resource audits and value chain analysis help identify organizational strengths and weaknesses. As a result, SWOT acts as a bridge between environmental analysis and strategic option generation. By synthesizing diverse information into a clear structure, managers can quickly evaluate the organization's overall strategic position and identify possible strategic responses. Despite its usefulness, SWOT analysis has limitations that managers must recognize. The framework relies heavily on managerial judgment. Pestle analysis. Pestle analysis is a framework used to analyze the macro-environmental factors that influence an organization and its strategic decisions. The acronym represents political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. These external forces shape the broader context in which organizations operate and often act as key drivers of change in industries and markets. By examining each of these dimensions, managers can identify trends that may create opportunities or threats for the organization. Pestle analysis is particularly useful for understanding whether markets are growing or declining and why such changes occur. It therefore helps organizations anticipate environmental shifts and adjust their strategies accordingly. Each component of the pestle framework represents a different category of environmental influence affecting business operations. Political factors include government policies, taxation, and political stability. Economic factors involve interest rates, inflation, exchange rates, and economic growth. Social factors relate to demographic changes, cultural values, and lifestyle trends. Technological factors consider innovation, technological development, and automation. Environmental factors involve ecological concerns such as pollution and climate change. Legal factors include regulations such as health and safety laws or consumer protection rules. By analyzing these elements systematically, organizations can better understand the external environment and how it may affect strategic planning. Pestle analysis is valuable for identifying strategic risks and opportunities in the macro environment. For example, technological developments may create opportunities for new products, while changes in regulation may impose additional compliance costs. Similarly, shifts in consumer attitudes towards sustainability may require organizations to modify their products or business models. By monitoring these external drivers of change, organizations can develop strategies that respond proactively to environmental developments rather than reacting after problems arise. This proactive approach improves an organization's ability to adapt to change and maintain competitive advantage. However, pestle analysis also has several limitations that managers must consider. The external environment is complex and constantly evolving, making it difficult to identify all relevant factors or predict their future impact accurately. Different managers may interpret environmental trends differently, leading to potential bias in the analysis. Furthermore, the issues identified may become outdated quickly, especially in fast-moving industries such as technology. As a result, pestle analysis should be updated regularly and used alongside other strategic tools to provide a comprehensive understanding of the organizational ecosystem.